In the name of our dear Rector, Monsignor Rolly, and the whole of the Manila Cathedral community, we wish to welcome our Mass-goers and most of all, our dear faithful and pilgrims this Jubilee year. Magandang hapon po sa inyo and welcome to the Manila Cathedral. We give ourselves a warm round of applause. Welcome po sa inyo. Salamat po sa pagdalaw sa Manila Cathedral. And today we also join our dear Chinese brothers and sisters as they celebrate their Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year to our Chinese brothers and sisters, those who have Chinese descent, and those joining us via online streaming. I think I need not to say my homily because Jesus explained already the parable to all of us. But as we reflect this gospel today, we see some important reminders as well from the Lord Himself. We are about to end January. Isang buwan pa lamang po ang nakakalipas. No? Sabi nga po nila, January 68 na daw po ngayon dahil sa sobrang haba ng buwan na ito. At marahil po sa buwan na ito, we often hear people still greeting us a Happy New Year. And when this greeting will be expressed to us, this greeting will have some words before, or it will be joined by words, have a prosperous New Year, have a Happy New Year, have a blessed New Year. We all want those. We want to be prosperous. We want to be blessed. We want to be happy. And who would not want? Sino ba naman ang ayaw maging maunlad, maging masaya, at maging mapalad? We set up our plan and ways so that we can be blessed and prosperous. Our New Year's resolution or maybe plans for this year of action invites us to work well, to study well, to be a good person, to be generous with my resources, to be good in all aspects in life. Gagawin po natin ang lahat para maging maunlad tayong tao. But you know, sometimes there will be people who would say, nagtrabaho naman ako. Nabigay ko naman ng lahat sa pag-aaral ko. Nag-ipon naman ako. Ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Pero bakit parang wala pa din? I wish to be prosperous. I wish to be happy. I wish to be blessed. But it seems effort counted less. Maybe in our desire to have a prosperous and a blessed life, we lack one thing that can really fill us and bless us. And it is when we do not allow the sower with a big S and his seed to be part of our lives. It is one desire of that sower and his seed that our life be fruitful, prosperous, and blessed. The sower wanted even everyone to have this seed present, but sometimes we take it off, we reject it, we choke it, and even kill it. Kaya naman baka hindi tayo lumalago, baka tayo din yung umaayaw sa itinatanim ng Diyos sa ating buhay. Just for example, when we celebrate the Mass, the word is break even and the word is open to us. Graces are flowing from this celebration, but we give less of our attention. May nagse-cellphone, saan nakatingin, hindi nakikinig. Every day, God has never missed the chance to teach us in our daily life, pouring seeds that can help us. But we tend to choke and take off these many seeds this good sower wanted us to have for a blessed life. We all wish to be happy. We all want a prosperous and a happy life. But then we may hopefully let the sower plant seeds that will fill us. And when we learn not to take off the seed and even the sower, blessings that the Lord will be ready for us. Then, a happy life, a prosperous life, and a blessed life is ready to be there for us.